So, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. We're talking about, we're having a discussion about real fine timing, all right? So, this is a reading for 4/11/2024. We have 4/11/2024, 4/11/2024. We have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 11, 11, 1, 2, 0, infinity, and we have 4, 11, 11. So today, the reason why it's called real fine timing is because you got 11, 11 with your 6 of crystals here. You've got the 7 of crystals here with 11, 11 here. And you got the Page of Cups here. The Page of Cups is your 2. The Page of Cups represents vicariosity. With the 2 and the 11, and the divide and the split, it is a 1.1. But if you look at this together, it is 11, 11, 11. So with this message here, with the 8 in the infinity, you have 11, 11. You have 11, 11, 11. Now, I don't know if you guys have any idea about 11, 11, 11. But I'm going to go ahead and look it up real quick. And I just wanted you guys to see how we came up with this. It is 11, 11, 11. And if I look on the clock, it's 8:50, which is 13, which is 4, which is 11, 11. So this is real fine timing. This is a time where you can get everything you want, even that diamond ring and all the luxurious divine things. In this 6 of Pentacles crystals here, this is about the divine, the helpers, angels, fairies, or any benevolent worker at this point is now dropping some jewels on top of you, or dropping them down so that you can receive those downloads. And it looks like you're going to be open for the work. Because with this work here, with the 7 of crystals, this is talking about this beautiful expression of how this mermaid knows that there is something that has been there, dropped down and given, and for them to find, to retrieve, and to possess. Confirmation. And in this dive, taking a deep look within to see what those special gifts, crystals, pentacles, work, time, how that perfect timing has allowed for this particular mermaid to surface to the top with treasure. Look at that. And because they have surfaced to the top, because if anybody knows anything about this type of molecular structure. It floats. It does not float, it sinks. So, what this particular mermaid had the ability to do was either it was the water that illuminated it to the top because of the presence of the mermaid being in its proper space at the fine right time, the real fine timing. And then it looks like they just surfaced to the top. But in the excerpts of this, it'll tell you that this mermaid is digging down in the water, going down to the bottom and cussing, coming up cussing, cursing. I don't want to give me this. Where is it at? Where is it in the name of this? And this mermaid, the fool walking past, says, "Why are you cussing? Why are you hollering? Why are you going off?" And this mermaid says, "Nothing." It dives back down and it's digging. And then when it comes back up the next time, when it reemerges, resurfaces, and comes to the light, this mermaid sees all these illuminations. Now, the fool has an opportunity to see this mermaid. This gift was given at the real fine time. Looks like springtime, when things are blossoming and blooming, while you're looking to the side, reflecting on, maybe what you want to do, or you're observing others to see if that you might want to do that, or you might not want to do that, or maybe you want to be like that, or maybe you want to act that way, or maybe you don't want any of it. When you decided that, look at her hand. When you decided, look, if you look at her, she's holding her cup. She's like, I'm holding onto my cup. Look at her in her heels. Yeah. She picked a fine time to do that. A real fine time. Because it put her in the 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And I might want to even say 14. 4, 5, 9, 4. 4 is the number of material, foundations, squares. 5 is the hectagon. Maybe I'm saying it right. Is my hectagon got 5? Hey Siri. How many sides does a hectagon have?
In geometry, a heptagon, or septagon, is a 7-sided polygon, or 7gon. This is from Wikipedia.
So we have a 7. So we have a 4, a 5, a 5 and a 4 and a 7. Maybe those numbers are interesting. So we have a 5, we have a 4, a 5, and a 7. We have a 6 and a 7. We have a 13. We have a 9. 22. I hope I'm right. Siri, what's what's 13? Hey Siri, what's 13 plus 9?
13 plus 9 is 22.
11, 11. See, this is real fine timing because it's nothing that you could do to be wrong. There's nothing that can go wrong. Everything is designed to go right. With the Two of Pentacles here, in your connections, with your time, there is another 2. 2, Roman numeral 1 is 11. See, let's do this real quick and get this out the way, because I only have a few minutes left. And that's 11:22 on the clock. That's 11, 11, 11. Real fine timing. Hello, Siri. Hey, Siri. Can you give me some information about the angel numbers 11, 11, 11?
I found this on the web.
Okay. So now, I'll go with the latest one they got, even though I have my own ideology. And it looks like I think I might want to go with it. But in general, the 11, the number 11 stands for, it is a master number. It is a gateway to enlightenment. And it grants the person who sees it new vision and sparking inspiration. When you see this number, you're being asked to use your gifts in the world. Determine your future life's trajectory and forge your way. The angels are willing to guide you at this time. Now, this is crazy because this 1111 here is the divine giving you gifts. You finding, discovering those gifts coming to the surface, and then you holding your cup with the privilege. Or your endowment, being able to take hold of your dowry, your endowment. Okay? I see stars and hearts. It's kind of cute because on my nails are stars and hearts, and I didn't realize on her ankles and on her stockings are stars. And she has hearts on her shoes. She got some cold shoes too. Check her out. She know what to do. Now, hold on. Now, the number 1 is very interesting. The number 1 signifies determination. Determination is true, it takes two. You can do anything that you put your mind to, and you'll find that there's nothing impossible. You gotta believe to see, apply the proper pressure. Oh, just be sure. Oh, be true to yours, and you'll find that there's nothing impossible. You gotta believe to see, apply the proper measure. Ah, just be sure. Ah, just be true to yours. Yeah, determination. And it only takes one determination in order for you to move forward. One determination for you to be connected to someone that is just as one as you. And really, it is you, the two, as one. This is when you have completed your balance and your checks. You dotted your I's and tittles. Even your asterisks in the middle. The one number is the beginning in personal power. It gives you 4 times the manifestation energy. So if you wanted to create an opportunity that was fail-proof, that you would be able to walk off the lot with a 2024 X7 Series BMW, you can do that right now. Actually, you can call it into existence, and the universe will put together a uniform exactly for you, or some shoes that you can slide right into that fit you exactly, that'll give you exactly what you want, brand new, not used. Because you've been triply blessed with the 11, the 11, the 11, the 11. It looked like nobody don't have a definition for that. So if 1111 is a wish, 1. If 1111 is a wish, 2. And if 1111 is a wish, 3, then you have an absolute. That means that with the triple, with the triune, with the 3 here, with the 3, Mother Moon, you have absolute wishes. Yeah. As many as the eye can see. And you have the cup to grow them. Because look, the fairy godmother gave it to you. She knew. She put them right there because she knew that once you fell off into this, you got thirsty enough, you would go within those pink waters. And now you've turned those pink waters into your sky. A place where you're going to have a lot of aerial fun. And look like you got some wings. So you went from flapping around in the water looking for things to standing on your own too, looking around at things. Delegating. Deliberating. What an amazing thing. What a great, grand position to be put in. That if you say, I want to start me a restaurant. We sell special dishes. We can afford to keep it going with this unique operational design. And it will sustain the test of time. Because see, this is a real fine timing to do this. This is to make manifest. This is like the perfect first part of planning, which is vision. People forget about the visionary part. And they say, put your vision board up, put your vision board up. Let's take it a step further. Hold that vision in your mind. And then as it's formulating properly, then speak it into existence first. Because see, once you speak it into existence first, then it cannot be plagiarized by any thought or idea other than yours. When you write these wishes down, a lot of times you get misconstrued with the grammatical and the linguistic style or the cultural grammar style that the interjected axiom, not the true axiom, but one that has been deliberated over, that has been dumbed down. This is the pure axiom, where you are determining the word, and you are being the word, speaking that word exactly forth, and then bringing back like a boomerang exactly, absolutely what it is that you intended. See, the difference between you with the real fine timing versus the jinn with the real fine timing is that the jinn's real fine timing is always going to be for them, to benefit the jinn. But when you use the axiom, the real, the true real fine timing, that means that you get to be the beneficiary of your wish. And that what you speak is not twisted in a dish, but that it is exactly what you said that it is. And that is you, and it will become you. Some of the best fashion artists came to the understanding of what they really were because they had to visionary themselves. Stylists came, yeah, stylists came. They tried to mark them with this label of beauty, but in the end, they broke free and they realized, I like that grungy. I got a little goth in me. I like pink and purples. I'm still a little khaki-er, a little bit classier. And then they were able to determine what direction they wanted to put it in. Real fine timing to do that for you. 2, 2, 4, 2 on the clock. So you can claim this message is yours. Or I can take it off from you. Because see, when my fairy godmother dropped them gems on me, I got mine. I went for it. I took the dive. I realized the time. And now, I got my cup. And I can look at you and I can say, hey, what's up? Or no. 23 on the clock. 5 changes afoot. And it ain't in this first change. It's in this double change. So, this is something like double jeopardy. This is something like when somebody accuses you of doing something and then you do your time for the crime. They try to see that you think that maybe they can surface the crime. But you got real fine time. And they can't do nothing. Because see, the rules of double jeopardy is, hey Siri, can you give me some information about double jeopardy? 24 on the clock.
Okay, I found this on the web for can you give me some information about Double Jeopardy 2424 on the clock. Check it out.
Boom. Now, this is something that look like it's new. It says something about when double jeopardy protection ends. It says jeopardy refers to the danger of conviction that a defendant faces when on trial for a crime. Ooh. it says, determining when the jeopardy terminates is just as important as determining when it begins. But because you got real fine timing, baby, you always gonna win. There is no double jeopardy for you, because you got the wand. You said I do. This is what you get instead. An opportunity to rain on their head with the wheel.